ready to interview Soldier Boy. Jensen Ackles is going to be here, and I think he's almost. I think he's having another interview at the moment. Can you just look? He's right here. See, you don't wanna show him. Oh, he's showing them. Okay. See, the guy, he has big shoulders because he's Soldier Boy. He's a superhero. He is. Hi, Jensen. Do you wanna? It's just two quick questions. Nice to meet you, Francisco Frank. Really nice to meet you. You're from Italy?
No, I am not.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying to connect here.
Not even close.
Okay, my question is, what's the weirdest fan reaction you received since playing Soldier Boy? Okay.
I would say some of the older fans, some of the older women, have really taken to me because Soldier Boy, he likes some women with some wisdom, with some maturity.
Yeah.
Because they know what they're doing. Yeah.
I'm gonna tell my mom that. So.
She already knows.
Okay. The toothbrush is still at home. Okay, you're okay. We have a fan question. Which Soldier Boy scene was the most fun for you to shoot?
Ooh. Probably the Hero-gasm fight. Just because we all got to mix it in. We all were there. It was a massive sequence. We had so much fun rehearsing it and putting it on his feet, and then we just destroyed an entire set, and we had a lot of fun doing it.
Thank you so much. I'll see you at the premiere.
Sounds good.
Ci vediamo dopo. Grazie mille. Thank you.